So I have a couple things that I think about when I'm extremely stressed out. Maybe things aren't going my way, and if my lips look purple, I just ate some cherries, and I think it kind of discolored my lips. So that's why. Anyways, there's a few things that bring me peace when I'm stressed out, when I've got a lot going on, or just things aren't going my way, right? Maybe business is slow, whatever it is. These things really do bring me at peace. And I have a few notes down for you guys. This video probably won't be as long, but it's going to be short and it's going to be super helpful if you are stressed out currently in your life or in your business. And the first thing I have down is if analyze yourself and your actions and really ask yourself if you are really trying, right? And the thought that brings me at peace is that all you really can do is try, right? All you can do is try your best every day, right? All you can do is just give it your all, and everything else is out of your control. And for some reason, when I have this thought, it really does bring me a sense of relief. Like, okay, like that's literally all I can do. All I can actually do is just try my best, right? And ask yourself, like I was saying in the beginning, are you actually trying, right? A lot of the times we go about life, we go to the gym, we go to work, we do some tasks for our business, but are we actually trying, right? And I have to sit back and look at my life and really ask myself this sometimes. Like, am I actually trying? Yes, I may be going to the gym. Yes, I may be doing my work. Yes, I may be literally working all the time. But when I'm actually doing the work, when I'm actually doing the sets at the gym, am I actually trying? Like, am I actually putting an effort, or am I just kind of like, working out, right? Am I actually putting an effort, or am I just kind of like doing work on my computer? Because there's a fucking difference, right? There's a fucking difference between just going throughout the motions of life, of work, of the gym, of self improvement, opposed to actually trying when you're going throughout these motions, right? There's a huge difference between the two. And the second thought, or even like a practical piece of advice that I have for you that you can do today in order to relieve your stress, in order to help with your stress, to help with you overthinking in your business or your personal life, whatever it is that after this video, I want you to simply write 3 tasks down that you know will move the needle forward in your life, that you know will help you out, help you improve your life, and help you get closer to your goal. Just 3 simple tasks. And what I mean by this is not huge tasks, right? I don't mean make $1,000, right? I mean like super small but needle moving tasks that would actually be productive. And you'll be surprised. A small task can be super productive. And the reason why this thought brings me peace and like brings me a sense of peace in my mind is because it's so simple, right? And I'll get into that talking point later on, but it's just it makes it so easy. It makes it seem so easy. Of course, achieving your goals is not just a walk in the park, but it makes what you have to do so easy because it's only 3 tasks. It's like, oh, okay, I only need to write down 3 tasks, just check them off. Let's go by one and let's get them done, right? For some reason, that practice really does help me out. And I use my whiteboard for this one. I write down on my whiteboard just 3 tasks. If I'm ever feeling super unproductive, if I'm feeling stressed, if I'm feeling like I'm not really making the most out of the day, just 3 tasks. Write them down on the whiteboard, check them off, get them done, right? That's simply all there is to it. And that one really helps me out because, again, it's not 15 tasks. It's not like you have to fucking lift 100,000 pounds of weight, or like it's not super difficult. It's 3 fucking tasks, so it motivates you. It's like, oh, fuck yeah, like I can do this, right? 3 tasks, easy, let me get it done. And then before you know it, you have momentum that you build. Before you know it, you'll be on to the gym after those 3 tasks. Before you know it, you'll be making a good, clean meal, and it will build momentum. And the last thing I have is more of an idea that really relieves my stress and brings me peace of mind, especially in business, is that when you wake up, just have the mindset of just doing what you're supposed to be doing, no matter how you feel. So there's days where I'm a lot sadder than other days. There's days maybe where I'm a lot angrier or just down, not super high energy, not super high vibrations, you could say. And maybe I'm feeling a bit down, feeling a bit low. On those days, I love using this mindset. I love using this mental model of just, okay, let me just get done what I know I'm supposed to do. Let me just do the things that I know I'm supposed to do. Let me eat right. Let me go to the gym. Let me get my 8 hours of sleep. Let me plan my day for tomorrow. Let me do my 3 tasks that are needle moving for myself and my business. Let me just do the things that I need to get done. Let me just do the things that I know I'm supposed to do. And this one is powerful because, again, as the 2 points above, it's just so simple, right? It makes things so simple for you. And when things are simple, you do it. When things are difficult, you don't. You want to stay far away from doing it. You procrastinate when you think whatever you need to do is complicated. You procrastinate when whatever you need to do is big and difficult, right? That's when you procrastinate, when your mind thinks of how hard your tasks are, right? So that's why these ideas are so powerful. But just wake up, write down what you need to get done, and simply just get it done. And again, it's so simple. And that's why these ideas are so powerful. And that's why these ideas have helped me so much in my life and in my business. And I want you guys to click off this video right now and try them out for yourself.